guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have something different here, all right? So I have a viewer who asked me about this question and I promise you to make this video for you, okay? So today, with this video, all right, I'm going to give you something, all right, that how actually I started to plan my trade. How do I actually start to plan my trade? All right. So it's a very simple strategy, or should I say a very simple structure that you should have before you start trading. First thing, before you start trading, all right, what are we going to do is that, okay, we are going to look out for a structure whereby it is for you to plan your trade. How do I plan my trade? Okay, in the previous video, I have talked about a structure. If you still remember, I talked about the satellite and zooming down to a country, to the states, and to the street, and right to your doorstep. You still remember that? Okay. All right. So yes, that's how I plan it out. So usually I will go with a bigger time frame, like example, day 1, then until H4, then I will go down slowly. All right. So how do you analyze out, you know, and how do you actually structure out that how are you going to trade? For example, I am a selling trade. Okay, I want to look out for trades that are selling today, right? That give me a good chance that I can sell. All right. So do you know about price action? For example, okay, if you have a double top, okay, let's say you have a double top. Let's say you have a double top or you have a selling trend trending down, right? Example in day 1, okay, and for that particular day, you see the opening price and actually is selling down, right, with a red candle. Okay, so for example, you will see example like this, you have a green candle yesterday and today you have a red candle coming down, am I right? Okay, so that will actually give me a structure in the day, all right, for the price action, and you see trending downwards, and you see you have maybe a double top or you have a big rejection candle to become a red candle for selling. Okay, so that is one way that you can tell the trend, all right? So it's a very simple way. Of course, there are more than that, okay, more into it. So this is a very simple one for beginners that actually you can use this and to actually tells you the trend for that particular day, okay, in that particular session as well. So when I know in my day 1 with this structure, it comes in, right, then I see it lower down the time frame, that means 4 hours. Why do I need to go into 4 hours? The concept is because within a day, you have 6 sessions of 4 hours. Am I right? So you have 6 times 4 equal 24. Okay, that's simple. Am I right? Okay, so 6 times 4 equal 24. So we have 6 sessions. So in every session, 4 hours, I will be checking out things like this. So from the day, just now as I mentioned, then I know that, okay, within the day is selling, right? So I go down to my H4, okay? I look out for my support and resistance. Okay, I look out for my support and resistance at that point, okay, within that day of selling, so that I know when there's a retracement, you know, when it hit on the resistance, where the resistance break out and will continue to buy, then I have nothing to sell. Am I right? So if it holds below the resistance, then okay, I can continue the selling. That will be good. Okay, so yeah, that is how I actually determine my trend and looking out for H4 to actually tells me that whether is there a chance for me to sell from the resistance and get out of my trade before it hits the support. Okay, so that's one way. So then I will start to swing down to a lower time frame. Okay, swing down to a lower time frame like an H1. All right. In H1, I will start to look out for a new cycle of selling. Okay, a new cycle of selling. That means I want a selling trade going up and then start to swing down. All right, then that is something that I'm looking out for. Okay, so yes, that's how I actually look out for the trend. Okay, in the trend, I look out within that trend, within today, that session, that trend, will there be any support resistance for me to work it out, where to sell, where to get out of the trade. Okay, so if the price had actually gone to the support, okay, I stop, no more, I wait. All right, so that it will actually give me a structure. This structure is a very simple structure that actually it will give a beginner a lot of help, and beginner be able to tell the trend for that particular 4-hour session, and they can trade better. If you have something, you sell, yes, you can get a TP. If you don't have something, you don't sell, you wait for the next session. It's just as simple as that. All you need is patience. That's all. All right. So when you have this structure, try it out. Okay, and let me know it works for you in the comment below, right? So that we can follow up in the next few videos if you have something more to ask me. All right. Okay, so by creating this structure, okay, by creating a structure like this, if I follow every day, so far for many years, I have been following this structure, and this structure has been working out very well for me. Even in my daily, all right, YouTube live, all right, for MT4 timing 0800, okay, MT4 timing 0800, I will go to YouTube live using the same method, okay, to pick up the currency pairs that I want to focus, so that you can come in and see how it works for you. All right. Okay. So I hope this video helps you. All right. So hopefully with my past experience and now I'm sharing with you, you can learn the lesson. All right. You can learn it and it will help you so that we can come into my YouTube channel, live trade together, contribute your ideas, your views. All right. So that we can build a very nice community in YouTube. All right. So thank you so much, guys. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Oh, forgotten. Do remember to click the like button, subscribe, and ring up the bell. All right. Thank you so much, guys. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. See you again.